Happy Thursday, everyone. Almost here into the weekend. Another week of exciting news in crypto. 3 stories today in the market. This is episode 271, No Edits Crypto. First story is, we'll tokenize the house from CoinDesk. Mortgages are coming to Ethereum this summer via Leah Kunin, the author of this. On Thursday, the fintech startup Fluidity will announce plans for the first Ethereum-powered mortgages in California and New York, CoinDesk has learned. Fluidity execs say the offering is slated for this summer. Once all the licensing paperwork is finalized, we'll tokenize the house, which will effectively take the collateral that is the equity of the house, said Fluidity Chief Architect Todd Lipiat. You are pledging the house and you can get an advanced rate back in terms of dollars. Fluidity first formed in early 2019 when the Consensus decentralized exchange DEX merged with the FIRNA registered broker-dealer Propeller. Fluidity co-founder Steem told CoinDesk that although Ethereum mogul and Consensus founder Joe Lubin is still a major shareholder in AirSwap, now a Fluidity subsidiary, the newborn parent company has a distinct set of shareholders, including a veteran crypto group of investors like Brock Pierce, Bill Ty, and Lubin's former colleague Mike Novagratz. So, tokenized housing coming soon to a neighborhood near you. Second story is Morgan Creek's Mark Yusko explains his $400,000 Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin's gradually developing infrastructure could send its value to $400,000 according to Mike Yusko. The Morgan Creek Capital founder told Blocks Live TV that the world's largest cryptocurrency was perhaps a decade away from becoming digital gold. He explained that Bitcoin was gaining adoption in similar ways the yellow metal did over the gone centuries. But the cryptocurrency was a few steps ahead of gold in terms of use cases. Excerpts from Yusko's statement. Bitcoin is much easier to transport. It is much easier to divide. It is tough to break a gold bar into component pieces. Bitcoin has all of these essential qualities that I think are superior to gold. Yusko envisioned a scenario where the Bitcoin network would inherit the entire gold market valuation, which is around $7.3 trillion. He then added the yellow metals total market capitalization with Bitcoin's total supply of 21 million units. A rough estimate priced Bitcoin at a rate of $400,000 per unit, added Yusko. Could as well be 500,000 given a portion of Bitcoins were lost forever. So I agree with what he's saying here. I think the Bitcoin will be at least $250,000 per unit in the next 10 years. I can definitely see that happening. Third story is another about Mike Novagratz. We are in a bull market. He's confirmed in his opinion. Mike Novagratz, former Wall Street hedge fund manager, this is from the Bitcoinist, and CEO of Galaxy Digital, is no stranger to Bitcoin price prediction. He believes that Bitcoin should reclaim its previous $20,000 all-time in the next 18 months. I think it'll happen, definitely within the next 18 months. It could happen within the next 12 very easily. Bitcoin to 20,000 in 18 months. Bitcoin price 5,988. This is at press time. Managed to reclaim the level of 6,000 for the first time in 6 months. Naturally, the cryptocurrency's latest spike triggered quite a bit of interest from various industry proponents. Among them, Mike Novagratz has once again spoken up, saying that Bitcoin at $6,000 probably is a stall point. I think 6,000 probably is a stall point. We take out 6,000, the next one is 10,000. I would be happy if we end the year at $10,000. Would I be happy if we end the year at $10,000? Certainly I would. Actually, that was my prediction. I should put that out here if that ends up happening on one of my friend's cryptocurrency preview of the year shows. I thought we would end this year in 5 digits, around 10K. So I might get wiped out though if this trend keeps up. We might push up to former all-time highs here, but I still think 10K is a pretty worthy goal. Into the market, 2.69% up for the day is Bitcoin at $6,069. Ethereum down 0.49%, 168.29. Bitcoin Cash down 2.05%, $2.78. Litecoin down 0.5%, $72.39. EOS up or down 1.47%, $4.82. Binance Coin down 8.87%, $19.08. The whole market is red except Bitcoin virtually. Monero down 2.67%, $64.93. Dash down 5.25%, $110.04. Ethereum Classic down 2.81%, $5.53. Neo down 3.99%, $8.56. Steem down 3.52%, 30 cents. Flash down 18.55% at 0.00264 cent. And Bitcoin dominance has risen all the way to 57.72%. So that makes a lot of people right now very a lot of people are confirming that we're in a bull market, which I've been confirming since February 8th, but or a little bit before that even, I think. But this is sort of how the last market cycle went. Bitcoin led the way, and the dominance rose as we went. That being said, I don't see altcoins, the top ones, going anywhere. This is just everyone's trying to ride this Bitcoin wave up to the top right now. Of this wave. Aggregate market cap up to $186,092,900,000. So we haven't broken the peak market cap for the last 6 months yet. That was 190 billion last week or the week before, I think. But Bitcoin is on its way up and has finally broken that psychological $6,000 barrier. Everyone, enjoy your Thursday.